Okay, everybody, as you can tell, today I will just be patrolling the area. Roll the intro. Okay, I just got a call that there's been a bank robbery. I don't know where that is. Yeah, I'm a bad cop. This is my first day. I don't know where the bank is.
Breaking news. Bank robber found outside of Route 4.
What? Oh, it's a good thing I'm watching the news. I would not have known that. I don't know where row 4 is. So, just row 4. Where's this row 1? You know what? We're just gonna go outside row 4. We'll just go in here. And then go to row 4. Row 4, row 4, row 4. Alright, there we go. Alright, everybody. We need to find this robber. Whoa, whoa! Yo, this dude's doing drifts.
Oh no! Police officer saw me.
Whoa, bro, that's illegal, bro. You can't be doing drifts. Oh no. Well, yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but like, this is my first day of being a police officer. Kind of don't know how. No, I'm backing up. No. How do I control this? Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Stop chasing me!
Oh, I got it. Run. I'm going to gear 6. That's the only way I'll be able to catch him. Yo, Ben, not to be offensive, but, your car kind of has a lot of dents in it.
Did I ask?
You did. Ram him! Ah! Oh. I gotta go. I gotta get him. He's out of my sight. Might be able to catch up.
Whoa! Oh, I'm crashing into the side of the bridge.
I might be able to catch up. I see him. Yes. Go.
Oh no!
What happened? Oh, what just happened?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is! Ah!
Hey, oh no! He's a police officer.
There he is! I must get him. I don't know what happened. I don't really remember how to drive this thing. My memory is bad. I don't know what happened.
What are the brakes on this new car? Uh-oh. Whoa!
Obviously, he didn't get hit by it. Ah, no! No! Chase! No! I must chase this wild Benjamin. Oh. Ah. Attack. Can this car go any slower? The brakes on this thing, bro. The brakes. There's no stopping Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. There's no pedal to stop. Oh no, there's no pedal to stop.
Oh no! My car!
Oh, I can't move. It's stuck. It's stuck. This calls in the big boys. This calls for the big boys. This dude is not ending up well after this. Last reports of him were in the stunt park. Now the military is on him. I don't think he's going to live any longer.
I can't believe my friends got caught by that police officer. He's on his first day. Let's hope he doesn't go in this tunnel. Alright.
Okay, I've heard reports that he was in a tunnel. Going straight in.
Ooh.
This thing is fast. I don't exactly know where he is, but I'm pretty sure the latest report said he was in the stunt park.
Oh no. No.
Can't fit.
Oh, I just crashed on a jump.
Yes? Rush report of him on a jump. He jumped and crashed. Oh, I found him!
Ah! Oh,
I missed my
it's the
shot.
military.
I think I hit him.
Ah! Where'd the back half of my vehicle go? Oh, I just gotta ram him.
Our vehicle is
no.
taking damage. It can.
My vehicle! No! I lost my tires!
We're taking you in prisoner, boy.
No! Okay.
Freeze.
I give up.
Come with me. Let's go. That's it. Yo, give me that crowbar. Give me the crowbar.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Let's go. Get in. Get in now.
No!
We're going to jail. No, this car is already damaged. This car is damaged, and it made me mad.
Oh no.
Goodbye. This is what prisoners. This is what you deserve.
Dang it! I was on a high streak of not dying for 40 days.
Wow. Wait, what? How are you even talking?
You know this is a video game, right?
What? Ah!
Yeah, you must be new to this video game world. It happens when you play for 13,327 hours in real life. You get sent here into the games, but you can respawn.
You know what? This calls for my rickety old police car from 1994. At least that's when I think it's from. It's got to be somewhere in here. My colleague told me. Here we are. This thing.
I thought it was from 1392.
Ha. Bro, this thing is good. Oh.
Yes.
Yo, bro, are you okay? Oh, he's okay. He's okay. Oh, I lost him.
What's that?
He nuked the facility. He nuked the facility. Everybody, get outside row 4. Get outside row 4. The criminal has nuked the facility. Get outside. The criminal has nuked the facility. Get outside. Need to make sure everyone gets here safely. Get the skill bus over here, okay, bro? Okay. Is everyone here? No! Get out! Okay, we got him out. So he doesn't sneak in. He snuck in, everybody! Be careful, don't go too close. He's a wild Benjamin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna have to arrest him. go. I'm arresting you. You know what? Since you're arrested, you get instantly put to jail. Let's go.
Dang it.
Straight to jail. Let's go. Let's go.
Where's jail?
It's in here. Don't worry, you won't be harmed.
What does this big red button do?
No, don't press that. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
I should press the button.
Benson.
Ah!
Bye.
Bye.